know I am scaring you. No natural should look like this. So I am going to show you guys how to fix this into something really quick, especially when you are running late. So if you'd like to see that, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I am starting with super duper dry hair. So I am just going to be grabbing some Jamaican black castor oil. It does have mango in it, so I'm just going to loosely add that all over my hair just to add a little bit of moisture into it before I begin styling. And then I'm just going to grab my comb and section off a part of my hair in the front because I am going to separate that into 3 smaller sections and then braid it. So like I said, I was in a rush, so I did try to get these parts as neat as I possibly could. I didn't have the best comb for that, but again, I'm just going for something very quick and easy to style so that I can leave the house today.
Try it on your finger. Okay.
So now I am just detangling my hair and then grabbing a small section in the front and proceeding to make this first braid, and then I will go ahead on and do the other 2 on the side. Y'all, my arms started hurting, so I tried to do this as quickly as I could so I can get through it and get this style done. So next, just grab some Cantu or whatever moisturizer and apply that around the outer parts of your hairline. Okay, and then just brush your hair up into a ponytail. Y'all know I have to be extra. So yes, just brush that up into a ponytail. And then we are going to finish this off with a bun. If you don't want to finish off with a bun, you can definitely keep it where I have it right here with just this ponytail, but I am going to add a bun to it because I just like to finish mine that way. So yeah, then I am just going to take a few of those gold clips and I am going to add it to the braids, and then once I form that bun, you'll see I will add it in there as well. So this is basically it. I hope you guys liked it. Again, this was just a rush style for me to hurry up and get out of the house for the day. I hope this helped you guys if you are rushing and this style is something that you would consider doing. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.